Electronic stethoscope, the modern stethoscope, which is not based on the previous principle, which was the principle of multiple reflection. It is only based on the engineering aspects. Why we need electronic stethoscope? Why the simple stethoscope was insufficient? First of all, we see that is simple stethoscope was suitable for deeply or partially deaf doctor. Partially or completely deaf doctor can use simple stethoscope. The answer to the question, no. The answer to the question is no. Some find some other reasons. Is the heart and lungs produce sound simultaneously? The answer to the question, yes. Sound and lungs produce sounds simultaneously. So the signal is mixture of many sounds. The signal is noisy. Yes, the signal is noisy because we use apparatus. The external environment also affects the signals. As we know, the diaphragm vibrates due to the effects of external environment. So the signal is noisy. Aims for electronic stethoscope, it will be helpful for deaf doctor. Deaf doctors accurately get pure signals because the signal is mixture of many signals. It need amplification. As we know, the signal produced by our body are so weak, so we do some amplifications, and we must have pictorial parametric representation. As we know, the signal detected by us must be in the form of parametric, in the form of graphical representation. As we know, this the most known signal is the ECG signal. This is the ECG signal, which is PQRS complex. In the same way, we must have the signal or the signal of sound in the form of parametric representation. This is the model of electronic stethoscope. This is the main part. This is the receptor part. This is the main part of electronic stethoscope where the signal is achieved, where the signal is received. Now we are discussing three modules in electronic stethoscope which are used. First module is the data acquisition module, means it is the receiving module. Here the signal is received. Here the signal is pre-processing module. Pre-processing means that some process prepares something for another process. It is called pre-processing, and the final process, the final module is the signal processing module. Data acquisition module contain four things. Transducer, it can be a microphone or piezoelectric sensors. Here the signal is received and it is converted into electrical signal. As we discussed before, that the electronic stethoscope is not based on the principle of multiple reflection. Here it is proved that the signal is converted into the electrical signal. It do not remains a wave. So it do not base on the principle of multiple reflection. It is based on engineering aspects because we convert the signal into the electrical signal. It needs some amplifiers and it needs filters. As we know, the signal is a mixture of some signals and it contains noise. There must be a noise filter and we must use anti-aliasing filter. What is anti-aliasing filter? This is the differentiating filter. If we say that this is the sound of heart and this is the sound of lungs, the anti-aliasing filter will differentiate between that which sound came from heart and which sound came from the lungs. These are anti-aliasing filter. And finally, we must have an analog to digital converter which convert the analog signal to the digital signal. As we see that we must have to use many filters. We have a solution for get rid of many filters. The solution to the answer, the solution to the question is the band pass filter. The band pass filter is the filter which passes only a specific range of frequencies. It means that the signal between these frequencies will be passed. The signal below this frequency and the signal after this frequency range will be discarded, will be blocked. Let's apply this example to heart. As we know, the sound which came from our heart has range 20 to 500 Hz. It means that the cardiac signal which came from heart is in this range. So the minimum range is 20, minimum striker is 20 and the maximum striker is 500. So the signal in between that will be received, and the signal after and below will be discarded. So the pure signal will be received, but it contains noise due to external effects, due to our apparatus, due to external environment. This is the structure of the electronic stethoscope. As we see that these are operational amplifiers which are used for amplification. These are capacitor and resistor. This is the let's discuss the pre-processing modules, in which noise reduction will be done and the signal will be noise normalized. As we know, we have done so many amplifications. Let's see, we have used 3 operational amplifiers. So the signal is amplified. We have to normalize this signal. So normalization will be done and the segmentation. Finally, in pre-processing modules, segmentation will be done. In this picture, the process of segmentation is revealed. I will not discuss it in detail. Signal processing module will done feature extraction. It organize raw data into parametric representation. It will organize the data in the form of graph. It will represent the change with time. It will represent the signal changes in time, how the signal changes with respect to time. It will show this type of things, and it will do categorize, it will do classifications. Classification, what mean? As we know, this is the signal of ECG. We have done some classification that it is a P, it is a Q, it is PQRS complex. So we must have do classifications for the biosignal of heart, which is in the form of sound. This is called classification. This is the signal processing of heart sounds, aortic at different times. This is the summary. First of all, data acquisition module, sensors and analog digital conversion will be done, and then signal filtering, artifacts removal in pre-processing module, normalization and segmentation, and finally in signal processing module, waveform, features extractions, classification and parametric form. This is the phonocardiogram, which is a proper machine for measuring, for listening to the heart sounds. This is the electrocardiogram. In one cardiac cycle, there are 2 sounds, which are also known as lub and dub sound, which are produced by the closure of valves. This is the proper signal which we get with the help of phonocardiogram, and this is its parametric representation. Let's see the parametric representation with the help of electronic stethoscope. This is the parametric representation of electronic stethoscope. This is the one cardiac cycle, and S1 and S2 are the 2 sounds. This is the screen of the electronic stethoscope. What are the limitations of electronic stethoscope? It is expensive and it is heavier in weight, and possibility of interference from electronic devices. As we know, when we go to hospital, there are many electronic devices are in use simultaneously, so there must be a chance of interference from electronic devices. If you like the video, please share the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.